Welcome to IT Trends TV. With me is Sharon Bills, the Transport Managing Director from Esri. And use software is so important for so many things going on in the transport unit and transport situation. What can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, I think how our software is typically used is that most of the information that a public transport agency has is actually spatial in nature. So by using our technology, they're actually able to bring that information together, to integrate that information, and then to use that to better plan their own routes, to monitor their own performance, and ultimately to give better public service to their customers. And so we really see that that's a critical role that our software can play in that industry.
How important is the IT trends for your business here in Europe?
Yeah, we actually find that as a US-based company, this is probably the most effective way for us to reach the customers in the European market. So my experience is this has been the most effective event for us to reach the IT directors, the CIOs, the senior managers of these public transport agencies here in Europe.
For your company, based on the transport market and everything which is going on, what are the main topics you're going to? What is your goal for the future?
Yeah, so I think that there's almost sort of a generational shift in that anymore the younger people really want to access information here. And so for us, that's a big push. Not only how can they use public transport, but how can they use a wide range of modes of transport. So how do I look at and how do I plan a trip that may include a bicycle, a walk, public transport, and perhaps even car sharing. So what younger people, I think, want to be able to do is to how can I combine those different modes in a environmentally responsible way, and how can I have that information delivered right to my phone.
So every kind of movement, every kind of transportation, convenient putting together, so whatever is the best for me right now, I'll take this one.
Exactly, and in a way that not only is efficient, but also is environmentally conscious as well. So I think there's a big shift to that, and I think that public transit agencies, public transport agencies are having to utilize the technology to better reach that new customer that they're not, they haven't had quite as much experience reaching in the past.
What do you think, how long is that future? Do you think you can achieve that in a short time, or is it a long time period?
Well, I think the very progressive public transport agencies can actually do that very quickly, but I also think that we're really on we're just scratching the surface of where the different public transport options are going to go. And I think there's really going to be some very, very creative initiatives in the future, and certainly we hope that we're there to help support those various initiatives.
Very exciting future ahead of us. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.